Barkley, you pulled me. Oh, it's 57 Fahrenheit, 13.8 Celsius, I believe. It's after 2 o'clock, about almost 2:30 a.m. I decided to get up early because I gotta go back to work tomorrow. So I gotta get from practice again, getting there up early. I didn't want to. I could get a couple more hours sleep, but anyway, I figured I'd do another early walk. It's kind of cool out, so I figure there might be no more bugs out. What are the little bugs? You can see my garden at night with the light. Figured there might be a rabbit out here or something we can look at. Lucy looking. Hey, I always want to see the animals out here. Try to chase them. Good boy, Barkley. Good boy. I had a hard time getting to sleep last night. Sure did. Oh. Oh. Good girl, Lucy. Good girl. That's a good treat. Yeah, that's a good treat. Y'all better stop doing that good treat stuff. That's a good treat, baby. Yeah. Hey, you didn't cook back. You just took off. There you go. There you go. Oh. Oh, there's my milkweed plant. Little baby ones look like. The other one, I planted them all the same year, but the other one's a lot bigger. Maybe that's more fertile ground by over by the garden. Maybe. Could be. Oh, I gotta keep my headlights straight ahead because I never know when I see a rabbit or something. I haven't seen a possum this year, or I only seen an armadillo once. Good boy, Barkley. Good boy.